What's up, guys? It's Dirty Mike from Dirty Mike Crypto back with another Y-5 chart review video. Now, today we're going to do things a little bit differently. Up until this point, I've been doing daily reviews of the chart, but I think today more than any day, it's important to kind of scale things back and look at a little bit of more of the bigger picture here. I know we get so caught up on the day-to-day on this chart that it's kind of sometimes hard to see the big picture. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the 1 hour chart, and as we can see with the 1 hour chart to the far bottom left of the screen here, we started off at our initial launch at around the 200 level. Now, immediately from there, you saw this nice, slow, gradual upward trend to where we reached our all-time high of around 4,900. Now, we reached that on, let's see what day that was. It looks like that was on around the 12th we reached our all-time high. And you guys know the old saying, what goes up must come down. And that is true with stocks, it's true with crypto, and many other things in life. So at this point, we're currently trading at around the 2138 level, which you can see were 10 times of what we initially launched at. So when we put things into perspective that we're currently 10x from where we started, it's a little bit easier to deal with some of these dips that we're dealing with right now. We had huge buying momentum at the very beginning, and a lot of people were new to the project and trying to get into the loyalty program once people started catching on and finding up with that. And it really drove that price up there. Now, once we got up there, you're going to get people who got in on the pre-sale that have made just absolutely tremendous gains on this token, as many of us have. Now, I know not everybody is in that boat. Some people may have gotten in anywhere along this upward trend here, and, the gains might not be as fantastic as the gains if you got in on the pre-sale. But if you were an early investor, we're still looking at 8 to 10x of where we originally began, with this project. So when you look at that, it gives you a little bit more perspective when you notice that things drop from around that 4,900 level down to the 2,100. Ideally, would we like to stay up there? Yes, but it's just not realistic. People are going to take profits. Not everybody thinks the same way as some of us diamond hand holders do. Some people just want to make a quick buck and get out. And you know what? That is okay. This is not financial advice, but to each their own. But for us diamond hand holders that I got, you guys are out there, and I like to think of myself as one of them included. We're still looking very healthy to where, we were. Now, what we're looking at this point at around the 2,000 level here is we definitely want to not dip below that if possible. We want to kind of start to go back up with that upward trend here. And I think with the increase of marketing in this upcoming week, the devs also just recently released who they're going to be using to, for their marketing. And it looks very exciting. And I think that, is my opinion, once we kind of start getting going with that, we lost some whales. I think we're going to start to gain some more whales in this project, which will definitely help the price to, get back up over these, critical resistance levels. This was a huge resistance level for a while at around the 3,000 range. We definitely hovered around this range for a little bit before we started this, decline that we've been on the last day and a half. And, we're definitely looking to rebound this next week. Just don't panic, guys. It's okay. We're still looking very strong and healthy with this project. I just thought it was important for us to kind of take a step back and, not just focus on the, 5-minute chart, 10-minute chart, which has been looking pretty scary for the last few days. It's definitely been going, in the downward direction. And if you're just focusing on that chart, it's very easy to lose perspective. So when we zoom it out and we look at the 1 hour chart, you see that, we're still looking in very good shape. It's still a healthy chart. It's not like we went all the way to the top and then just bottomed out all the way back down to the bottom. Consolidation is something that happens in all stocks and all crypto. So that's what it looks like it's kind of happening right now for us, and we just need to stay patient and just let those sweet reflections just keep rolling in, and my diamond hand holders stay strong. If you guys are new investors and you may be bought in towards the top, this is a great project with some great things that are in the pipeline here. Once we launch our exchange, that is going to be absolutely just groundbreaking, and I think that's going to really just propel us through the roof. Well, that's all I got for tonight, guys. I just wanted to share this with you. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think is going to be happening in the next couple weeks, and let me know what you're excited about moving forward, and I will make sure I answer all the comments. Have a great night, everybody. Talk to you soon.